I know y'all want the deets on this new Outre's melted hairline, so take a look at it straight out the pack and I'll be right back. Alright, so here it is. Looking good, parting space looking good, laying really flat. Got some baby hairs. Hairline looks pretty good. So, yeah guys, let me see if you can shift it real quick. Because it is meant to be a middle part. Hold on, baby. Let me see. Yeah, if you shift it slightly, it'll still be even. I don't think it'll be too noticeable. Alright guys, let me cut this lace off and get to it. Okay guys, so like I said, this is the Outre's new melted hairline, which has been hot all over YouTube lately. And I have it in the style Natalia, which is the most recent one, I believe. And I have the color DR2 Autumn Brown right there. It's very, very gorgeous, y'all. The color is like chocolatey brown. It got the golden highlights and copper tones, and it's blended really good. I'll see if I can get a shot outside. It's kind of cloudy today, but if I get a shot of it outside, I'll put it in the video. But it comes with soft lace. I cut it off already. Has the 2 combs in the front, the comb in the back, adjustable straps, and the you know, the elastic band. I showed y'all that as well. The texture to me feels in between silky and yucky, and I am getting some tangling. You know, I noticed that when I was cutting the lace, so you're gonna get some tangles. Just keep your brush, your comb handy. And I noticed some shedding, like more so after I cut the lace, but I've been seeing it more since then. But hey, stop it. This is the density. I think it's a good density for the length and stuff. Let me stand up for you guys. So here it is. I think it's nice, and it looks very natural. It's not too full and it's not too thin, so it's very nice. This is the part in space. I have a dark brown wig cap on, and I kind of wish I had my wig grip band on, because I just feel more secure. Like I feel like it's kind of sliding back, and it does come with baby hairs. I didn't really use them, but you're gonna need to glue these down. You can see this lifting. And believe it or not, I did put some got to be glued on it in gel, but I didn't like hold it there for a long time and tie it up. I was just trying to do something really quick, so it was kind of pointless. But if you get it and wear it out, you probably want to do it the right way. And I put a little bit right here too, because like I said, I felt like it was sliding back. But it looks good because my natural hair is kind of coming out, making it look more natural. Show my big old forehead. But it looks good. It could probably use a little heat on this side. Like my hair is not flat underneath. Hold on, baby. My hair is not flat underneath, so that could be it, but it's not a major con. It lays very flat, but this side looks a little more higher than this side right now. But other than that, it's really good. I just put the powder in there. I didn't use the baby hairs, and it's very nice. It's lightweight, so I think it's wearable for every day. You can shift it if you like I said, just not like no major shift, because then you'll notice. But yeah, it's cute. I like it. I really, really do. It's a cute style, and it looks very natural. They did a good job with this line here. Very natural. It gives you like the frontal feel without the frontal, because you can't part it in multiple ways. Just this one parting space, which is great for beginners or people that's lazy like me. So you get the look without all the, you know, extra work. And it is running about $40 on most websites. I think it could be worth it, because it does look very natural, you know. Is it perfect? No, but it does give you a more natural look. So, you know, but I'm cheap. I like spending like $30 or less on my wigs usually, but lately, you know, if you want the natural look, you're gonna have to spend a little more. But let me show you some different angles, guys. Here's the side. Here is the back. Hey, boo-boo. You on camera? And here is the other side. So it goes pretty long, but it's cute. And back to the front. So, yeah, guys, I didn't comb it out. Back for you. I didn't comb it out. All I did was run my fingers through it, because I feel like if I comb or brush it out, it will like mess up these little waves quickly. So I've just been running my fingers through it. But eventually, like, if you wear it, you're going to probably have to comb it out to get them tangles out. But other than that, I think it's nice. It's a good job, and you can wear it every day, I think. And I think it's really cute. So, yeah, that's about it, guys. If you have any questions or comments, or if I left anything out, hit me up. I'll get back to you. And as always, thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. All right, I'll see y'all soon.